Hey guys, we're just hanging out upstairs getting some signs made or tags made for Braylee's birthday gift for her boyfriend. Braylee's just working away. I love having my glow forge because we can do cute things like this. Anyway, I was just looking out the nice day and I looked over and I just see these like giant goats. Is that what they are?
Billy goats.
With like horns. I was like, what? Braylee, look out the window. I'm gonna try to show you guys. It was just like kind of shocking to see. Well, the other one looked like it was by the road.
It might be walking into the road.
But Braylee said that they have...
Doesn't that look like it has a collar on?
Collars, but they're definitely not tied up. And I'm just a little concerned that they're roaming around the neighborhood. Like, I'm worried that... Oh, look, yeah. Oh, there's the other one. They're definitely...
Oh, that'll be so bad if we watch it get hit.
We won't. People can't drive. You don't drive fast enough.
We literally do have
Are they on. Kevin's?
Kevin does not have billy goats. He has goats.
Let's go tell Dad. I'm just gonna go tell Dad.
Let's go sell them.
They're so cute. Yeah, right. They just start like ramming us. Like, come here. They're just like, boom. Don't call him over. Casey didn't care. No, Rosie. Rosie, come on. Come on. Come on. Basically, we saved the goats. They're our neighbor's goats, and we got them. Well, we didn't. Braylee and I just let everyone know, and then Logan and Casey got them put away. And our neighbor's wife. So everything is under control. That was interesting. They're so cute. I am happy that we saw them, and I am happy that we were able to help. Oh, you never know. You never know what you're gonna find when you look outside. And it's so hot out there. Braylee was like, I always forget how hot it is until I come out here. Like,
so hot.
Right?
How do I get that out?
Just like a paintbrush. Braylee was just sanding those little tags. They're wood, and we engraved them. And when you sand it, the wood dust gets in the engraving. So just get like a bigger, yeah, and then just, or actually this one works best. I like to use like a dense paintbrush like this, because then you can just really scrub the dust out.
Those are pretty good.
Did you sand the back?
Yeah.
Okay. They were just very...
I got a sliver right when I touched them.
Slivery. Cute. She has all of her little boxes over here. Let's say touch, taste, hear, sight. What else? Smell. Cute. And then she just got a present for all of those scents.
Go check out my TikTok.
Check out her TikTok. Oh yeah, we already said that. Check out her TikTok. It'll finally be up. I'm sweating.
No, it was hot out there. I changed.
We were there for 5 seconds.
When I went to Starbucks, I was dying in my car too.
Really? All I want is oatmeal from Starbucks. Every day I'm like, do you want Starbucks? I don't even really want a drink. I just want oatmeal.
It's also half off Wednesday for drinks.
Did you know that they did that? Or did they only do that in the summer?
Yeah, only on Wednesdays after 12.
I didn't know that. Dang, I'm happy that we got it today. Okay, well, I finally got a vlog up today, which I feel really great about, even though it's been 10 days. I was just sick and not in a place to be vlogging, but I am happy that I got that up. Then we went to Lagoon. We got home from Lagoon last night. It was a long day. It was a freaking long day.
It was a long day, and I'm going back on Sunday.
You're crazy. It's like, you couldn't pay me to go back to Lagoon after going. I seriously, at the end of the day, I was just like, oh my gosh. And it wasn't even that hot, but I was like looking around at everyone. Every single human, child, every single human looked exactly how I felt and looked. Everyone was like, and slouched over. Just exhausting to go to theme parks, but it was fun. I'm really happy that we did it. I'm grateful that Casey thought of that because we needed one last trip as a family, and it was fun, and everyone got along, and it was good. It was fun.
Now I leave in 2 minutes.
And now Bray Bray is leaving us. So I'm happy that we get to do that. And I'm happy that we'll have some time together to hang out. We're gonna film the podcast again tomorrow. Any suggestions, anything that you guys would like to hear us talk about, please let us know. Not that we can't think of ideas on our own, and we have lists, but it's just so important to us to hear from everyone else to see what you guys want to talk about. So let us know. we did film and we had so much fun filming last time. So I hope that we can like keep that vibe going.
Yeah.
Because it was very enjoyable. That's what I wanted. I just want to have fun with the podcast. It shouldn't be stressful. So anyway, so what we're doing today. We're sweating and making crafts and talking about things. Layla's gonna show us some tricks.
Show you around the.
Let's see it,
First,
girlfriend.
I'm putting in my push-ups.
Oh, your push-ups? Okay. Whoa. Girl, nice. Excellent. Really good.
Wait, can I show my aerial?
Yeah,
I haven't been practicing enough to land them, but
that's okay. Just gotta keep practicing, yeah. Good. I think you just need to get a little higher.
this is my favorite trick my friend taught me.
Okay. Good.
Wait, this is my favorite one.
Pretty.
Wait, I can do one more.
Okay.
It's like a bigger one that you grab your feet. Wait, I can't do it. Do you want me to show you my cartwheel?
Yeah.
I jump into a cartwheel.
Okay. Whoa.
I'm sure I don't know how to land them either.
It's okay, you will.
I tried to, because one time I did.
Okay.
And really,
Good job.
I did this.
Nuh-uh. We're like,
Look at
whoa.
Rosie.
I think Rosie sometimes finds like old onions or old vegetables that we've planted that are growing back,
Forgot.
and she'll dig them up, or possibly mice, I don't know.
Oh. Really just jumped out of
I
the
know, I wish I would have been filming.
like
She was
this.
just like, wee, right over.
Like
So
this.
funny.
Can I show you?
Yeah. She just looked like she was like, wee, flying. She's so funny. Oh, golly. Good tricks. Good job. Proud of you.
Hi guys, today we're gonna be making some bagel bites.
Some bagel bites for dinner.
Yeah.
So what do you have here?
So yeah, some bagels, pizza sauce, pepperonis, and cheese.
Nice. We did
So
the
first-
mini bagels.
Let's do this.
Just the plain mini bagels.
Don't get plain, but if you don't like plain, eat your favorite kind.
Okay. What about blueberry? No?
Well, you can still use them, but they
Okay.
might be gross.
Yeah.
So we're gonna just like spread them apart.
Open them up.
It's hard to. I always rip them when I do. Like with them.
Here, do you want a little butter knife? Because
Yeah.
they're already split, but they're just kind of connected.
Yeah.
So you can just go along where it's already cut open and just like, yeah. Look, okay.
I invented these so everyone knows one.
Really invented these. So if you've never heard of bagel
bite.
pizzas,
They copied me. Holy, why is this so hard to open?
nice.
Spread them.
Okay.
That sounds way better than hot dogs.
Hot dogs are delicious.
Around a campfire.
Heck yeah. That's the best.
And if you guys haven't had strawberries and marshmallow fun,
Do that.
best thing ever. Do we have extra paper towels?
I don't, probably. Okay, let's move on
Okay.
to what you're gonna do next.
Okay, so we're gonna put on.
I already opened that.
Okay.
Here's a spoon.
Okay, so ice.
It's okay.
No,
It's okay,
drink
just
it.
keep going. I'm sure we'll spill more. So what are you doing with this?
So I'm gonna be putting it on the bagels.
Okay.
It's like making bagels. I mean pizzas, but just on bagels.
Excellent. Once your pizza sauce is on, then
You want the pepperoni? No, cheese. Get a whole handful. But if your hands are dirty, make sure to wash them
Oh
first.
yeah, make sure you wash your hands, huh?
You want mango peach or strawberry coconut?
Mango.
You know, all honesty,
Don't
if it's
worry.
cold enough, I think
The
it's
pizza
the
sauce
best
is good.
flavored drink ever.
Okay, once your cheese is on, take the pepperoni.
But I'd go like half. It's pretty strong.
And that entire thing.
No, I'd go half of that and that. Like even maybe a little less than that.
Once your pizza is already, pop them in the oven.
Pop them in the oven. They look so good. Okay, ready to pop them in the oven?
Yeah.
Okay, got it?
Can you open it for me?
I think Daddy is. Can you hold it by yourself?
Yeah.
Okay.
Don't touch right here or right there, okay?
Good work, sis. Nice. Are we gonna say like 10, 15 minutes?
10 to 15 minutes.
Yeah? Okay.
Say hi, Winston. What's up, everybody? Say hi to my mom.
Hi.
And it was bunny. Happy like a bunny. Okay, so I don't know much what to do. So yeah. Guys, if you think I have a double chin when I do this, I don't. You just have bad posture. Can I show you guys? If you go up, back, and down, that's how you have bad posture. And if you do the chicken face like this,